Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to play Among Us like a pro. Learn the map layout of each map thoroughly to navigate efficiently and complete tasks quickly. Focus on completing tasks early to contribute to crew progress and establish your innocence. Pay attention to player movements, actions, and behaviors to spot suspicious activity. As an imposter, use vents strategically to move quickly across the map or escape after a kill. Utilize sabotage effectively to create chaos, split up the crew, or divert attention from kills. Establish a credible alibi by being seen performing tasks or staying in group when necessary. Use emergency meeting wisely to share critical information, clear suspicious, or initiate strategic discussions. Engage in discussions confidently. Provide logical reasoning for your actions, and ask probing questions to uncover lies. Analyze voting patterns and discussion to identify voting blocks, imposters, or suspicious behavior. Know when to use the emergency button to prevent emergencies or call out suspicious behavior. As crewmates, prioritize emergency tasks like reactor or oxygen to prevent imposter from winning by sabotage. Confirm your innocence by performing visual tasks like mid-bay scan or trash disposal in front of others. Communicate with ghosts to gather information or confirm suspicious without revealing too much. Remember key details from previous rounds to identify patterns or inconsistencies. Coordinate with other imposters discreetly to execute kills, establish alibis, or manipulate discussions. Mimic task animation or fake tasks to blend in with crewmates. Adapt your strategy based on the number of players, map size, and dynamics of the game. Be prepared to play both crewmate and imposter role effectively, adjusting your gameplay style accordingly. Use meetings to gather information, verify alibis, or push for critical votes. And that's how to play Among Us like a pro. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!